back with you today. It's time to draw a winner for our monthly giveaway. Now, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Thank you for joining us. If you don't know how our giveaways work, each month we pick a video from the previous month and all of the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. This month our prize is going to be 5 $10 digital gift vouchers to purchase digital product from our shop. So this month I picked Reenie's Let's Make Vintage Charms video. That one was awesome, so I recommend if you haven't had a look at that, go and have a look, check it out. They are super cute. So we had 51 comments on that video, so let's go ahead and pick our winners. Our first winner is Sweet Pea Barbie or Barb. Our next winner is TBRC Spirit. Our third winner, Kelly B 1512. Our fourth winner, Aussie Gal 22. And our final winner for this month's giveaway is Jen at Jen's Arty Inclinations. So congratulations everybody. For those of you that have won, you will find our email address in the description box below. If you could just send us an email and we will organise to get your $10 digital gift voucher to you. And for everybody else who didn't win, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by liking and commenting on our videos. It really does help. Don't worry if you didn't win, there'll always be another chance next month. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.